So today I have something for you that is going to blow your mind. What if the normal headphone wasn't just a normal headphone anymore? What if it had its own screen in it? Can we just take a second to appreciate these headphones have got a screen on them? That's incredible. So these look pretty cool. I've gone for a sport yellow, like a highlighter yellow. So it says on the back here, voice controlled hands-free experience. So that's Amazon Alexa you can use, which is incredible. Completely standalone music player, so you don't need your phone to play music. That's pretty cool. Activity tracking sensors and smart music recommendations. Easy to use interface and immersive 3D sound. So these are wireless headphones. The battery life, it says here, is standalone 21 days and Bluetooth playback is 26 hours, which is quite a long time. Standalone playback, that's without a phone, 10 hours. Bluetooth 4.1 HD voice supports VoLTE. It's voice over LTE. So let's take a look at the box here, get it out. So we've got a very, very glossy box here. Look at this. That is the most glossiest thing you've ever seen, but let's take a look inside. Woo! Okay. Wow, this is quite something. Look at it, look at it here. So we have future is me, I have no name. Until you name me, I have no form. Until you shape me, I don't exist. Until you make me. Wow, that's pretty crazy. So here are the headphones. We've got an incredible color here. Can we just take a second to appreciate the color of these headphones? That is absolutely mad. These are vibrant, I would say. Whoa! Whoa, okay, Jesus. So these are the headphones here, as you can see. So we've got a screen on one side. That's the bit we're going to be focused on today. And on the other side, we've got a plain green background, as you can see here. So it's plain on one side, and then we've got the controls on the other side with some interesting label. So we've got a switch here, we've got a microphone slot by the look of it, we've got a micro SIM tray, and inside you can see that we've got some sensors. Don't know entirely what they do, I think that's to do with the sports stuff, and on the bottom we've got the charger and headphone port. Does it come with anything else? No, I was wrong. So we get micro USB and the headphone, and then we get a little booklet here which tells you a little bit of information. Honestly, I think some people will miss that. It's not entirely obvious to pull the box out, so there we go. Some more details about the headphones before we turn them on. So it's got a 15 milliamp hour battery, which, as I said, gives you standby time of 21 days, playback of 10 hours with standalone. Bluetooth playback is 26 hours, and you can charge it with the micro USB. And it comes with Wi-Fi, 3G, and Bluetooth. It's got accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, compass, GPS, and optical heart rate sensor. All right, let's try these on. Okay, they're quite comfortable. Stay on well. They don't feel too heavy. I was a bit worried about them being really heavy because of there's effectively a phone in here, which is kind of crazy. Welcome to activate. Please connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay, activate. There's like a whole Android keyboard on here. That's mad. Say hi Vincey to wake me up. Hi Vincey. There we go. Play Michael Jackson. Okay. Wear only. Services. So you've got things like Spotify, SoundCloud, Amazon Alexa. Let's see what Amazon Alexa does. So it allows you to log into your Amazon account. So this is crazy. I've got like Amazon login here. I'm actually gonna log in. Now we've got some like on-screen instructions. So we've got swipe horizontally to change track, swipe vertically to adjust volume, tap once to pause, tap twice to save to favorites, hold to talk. Okay, cool. I mean, look at this. There's a freaking screen on here. Can you guys see that? It's mad. What does it look like up close? Okay, so here's the really crazy thing. Like, we've got a settings tab in headphones. So these are all the things. 3D effect. Yeah, I want the 3D effect. Why not? Music visualizer. So we can choose. So yeah. Okay, so this is essentially how it works. I've now hooked up Spotify on here. So let's listen. Okay, so I just tried it with the 3D effect on. And that, in all honesty, that sounded awful. Swipe up, volume, swipe down. get a nice audio cue to let you know that you've done it. Okay, here's the deal. I've been listening to these headphones for like 2 or 3 hours. As you can see, I've put on my own thing. So I mean, you could rock that. You can put some different customization stuff on here. I don't know. It depends how important it is for you to have two things. One, something that really stands out. I think it's really cool. Obviously, people are going to be asking you questions about them. People are going to be looking at you weird because you've got something that probably they've never seen before. So that might be cool to you. That might be of value to you. The other thing as well is these can be used without anything. So you don't need to take your phone with you. These might be a good gym goer. Maybe if maybe not so much for cardio because the leather would get all sweaty and I wouldn't actually want to, they're expensive headphones and I wouldn't want to spoil them. However, having said that, maybe if you're weightlifting, that could work. Maybe in a different color. These are pretty bright. In terms of audio quality, it's actually pretty good. It's got quite a heavy low end, but it's not overpowering like some headsets like Beats. Like Beats have got a really heavy signature, and I personally don't like that too much. I think it's too much, but this is kind of a nice middle ground. I actually kind of rate the sound coming out of these at the moment. It gets fairly loud. The only thing about these is the battery and the fact that they're so different. If you don't mind having to charge them up occasionally and you think that this is a real cool novelty and you would use it, then these are really good. The fact that it's got Amazon Alexa installed in it is actually really appealing to me. I think that's really cool. And you can put things like your Spotify on here and you don't even need your phone. And I think that's probably the main selling point of these. These are useful regardless of what you've got. So yeah, on the box review here. Voice control with hands-free experience. Yes, it's not 100%, but it's like 80% of the way there. Complete standalone music player. Yes, it does that. Activity tracking sensor. It looks like it was getting my heart rate and stuff well. I'm not about to go for a run to try them out, but honestly, I wouldn't use these for sports headphones because they're expensive and they're quite heavy, and I think they would look really grimy after a while. Easy to use and interactive, yes. Like when you put them on, it plays and things like that. That's cool. And immersive 3D sound. The 3D sound I thought was awful. I didn't think that. It's trying to create something out of something that's not actually been developed by the people who made the music. So the voice recorder worked, but how often are you going to record notes to yourself? Like really? Would you ever do that? I honestly don't think you would. I think these are cool. I can see why you would want them. If you're really into the futuristic stuff, I could see this being something that you would definitely want to wear. The sound, like I said, the sound signature is pretty good. I think the screen is vibrant. It's responsive. The battery life says it's pretty good. Whether or not it's as good as it says it is, I don't know. But I think this is a really nice novelty headphone that I don't think it's for everyone. I don't think everyone's going to walk around with a screen on it, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is the future. Maybe this is where people are going, where this is where culture is going now that we can fit essentially a mobile phone into something of this size. It's a pretty cool idea. I like it. The build quality is nice. It's good. It's a good pair of headphones, and it does what it says well. Is whether or not you want it is the big question. So, would you want this? Let me know in the comment section. Would I wear these? Yes. I actually think these are kind of cool. Honestly, I think they're cool. Color, I think I made a mistake, but I think they're cool headphones. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.